Hey there, crafters. Welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. Today, I am doing an unboxing of a bead organizer, which I'm going to be using for my rhinestones and my, accessories that I'll be using for my bedazzle projects. So I grabbed this organizer on Amazon. I'll leave the link in my description if you're interested in grabbing one of these. So it has 24 little organizer boxes inside, and I'm just so excited to start organizing my rhinestones. As you can see, it also has little stickers that you can label your rhinestones so you know what size rhinestones you're using. And if you want to be specific and maybe, indicate if it's like a hot fix or if it's just a regular rhinestone, then you can definitely do that. But I really like these little organizers. And it came with quite a number of stickers for each box. So 24 stickers for the 24 boxes that are included. Okay. So all you need is maybe like a pen or a Sharpie to label your rhinestones. It's also important to just keep the size on the rhinestones. So if you're doing a project and you want a specific size rhinestone, you know exactly what you're working with. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are one of my regular viewers, welcome back. So this is just me teaching you little tips on how to organize your craft and, quick and easy way to have everything you need in one place. I remember grabbing these bedazzle accessories, and I wasn't sure where I was going to put them, and I was like, okay, you know what, I really need to organize my stuff. I do have some rhinestones in another organizer, but they don't hold a lot because the spaces are really small. Maybe at a later date I might just organize these based on size, because you do have different sizes in these bedazzle accessories. Okay, so this is the kit that I have that I had placed some other rhinestones in, but to be honest, they're really not holding so well. And whenever it's time for me to work with the rhinestones, it's kind of like it's just too much. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to get this box of organizers just for my rhinestones and my bedazzle accessories. Okay. And if you notice, I have this little rag on my work desk when I'm working with rhinestones. I find that it's much easier to control the environment when you have a soft surface working with. Yeah, so rhinestones, they tend to get all over the place. And I just, this is just my way of keeping my workspace neat and tidy. Okay, so these were pretty much the same size, so I'm just gonna just indicate on here, and you can put whatever color you want on the boxes. It really doesn't matter, but I like the fact that they have different color stickers. So this is just a great way for you to organize your workspace, organize your craft items. Again, I'll leave the link in my description if this is something you're interested in grabbing. I hope this was helpful.